Hi everybody! Good morning or good afternoon or good evening. I don't know what time it will be when you will watch my video, but I hope you have an excellent mood now. Well, I think I should introduce myself. My name is Nina Prokopishina, I am 21 and I am from Uzbekistan. I study in the People's Friendship University of Russia in the Institute of Hospitality Business and Tourism on the third year. And this is my summer video. Work on the video was really interesting and fun, and I hope you will be interested to watch it. Let's see what the book can tell us about Russia. Russia, also officially known as the Russian Federation, is a country in northern Eurasia. It's a federal semi-presidential republic comprising 83 federal subjects. Russia is the largest country in the world. Extending across the whole of Northern Asia and much of Europe, Russia spans 9 time zones and incorporates a wide range of environments and landforms. There are over 116 different ethnic groups and indigenous people in Russia. Ethnic Russians with their Slavic Orthodox traditions, Tatars and Bashkirs with their Turkic Muslim culture, Buddhist nomadic Buryats and Kalmyks, shamanistic people of the extreme north and Siberia, Highlanders of the northern Caucasus, Finno-Ugric peoples of the Russian northwest and Volga region all contribute to the cultural diversity of the country. But it's possible to tell about Russia infinitely.
There is a lot of interesting information about Russian Federation, but I think that the main thing you should know is that the Russia is a great country. It's big, very big, cultural, multicultural, cross-cultural. It's beautiful, very, very beautiful. Old, but new, full of drive, advanced, time-conscious, and sometimes fast, genuine, natural, cold, hot, and smart. The champion, steady, ready for anything, creative and talented, curious, modest, promising, and very generous, very, very generous, so different and so friendly. Therefore, the 2014 Winter Olympics will be held here.
But where is this magnificent event will be held? There are hundreds of wonderful cities in Russia. It will be Sochi, or, as it was named until 1896, Dakovsky. Sochi, located on the Black Sea in the southern part of Russia, has been a resort city since the time Stalin. With its subtropical climate and proximity to the beaches as well as mountains, Sochi has attracted vacationers for decades. Not bad, really? Travel to Sochi means a lot of opportunities for reception of foreign guests. Sochi is almost unique among large Russian cities as having some aspects of subtropical resorts. Apart from scenic Caucasian mountains, people and sand beaches, numerous parks, monuments and stunning summer residents, Gorlik Fortress, the Golden Fleece, the dry room, and a lot of another interesting places in Sochi. Also, Sochi can offer a lot of activities like rafting, going down into cave, going downhill on mountain scooter, mountain bicycle tour, the road to the waterfalls, regatta, skiing in winter, and etc. It is the best place for the Olympic Games and it will be work. In July 1st, 2007, Sochi was announced as the host city of the 2014 Winter Games, edging out Pyeongchang, South Korea and Salzburg, Austria. It's also one of the host cities for the 2018 FIFA World Cup. This will be Russia's first time to host the Winter Olympic Games and the first time to host the Paralympic Games. As you remember, the USSR was the host of the 1980 Summer Olympics held in and around Moscow. It was amazing. I believe we can repeat this impression in Sochi. The torch relay will start at Moscow on 7th October 2013 before passing 83 Russian cities and arriving at Sochi on the day of opening ceremony, 7th February 2014.
Construction in preparation for the Games involves the building of new venues. The Games will be organized in two clusters, a coastal cluster for ice events in Sochi and a mountain cluster located in the Krasnaya Polyana mountains. This will make it one of the most compact games ever, with around 30 minutes travel time from the coastal cluster to mountain cluster.
What about sports? 15 winter sport disciplines, organized as 7 Olympic sports, were included in the 2014 Winter Olympics. The 3 skating sports disciplines were figure skating, speed skating, and short track speed skating. The 6 skiing sport disciplines were alpine, cross-country skiing, freestyle, Nordic combined, ski jumping, and snowboarding. The 2 bobsleigh sports disciplines are bobsleigh and skeleton. The other 4 sports were biathlon, curling, hockey, and luge. And of course you had to get acquainted with the Olympic Winter Games mascots: the polar bear, the European hare, the Amur leopard, and both Olympic and Paralympic mascots, the fire boy and the snow girl. Sounds great? When I was a child, I used to do taekwondo. It's the Olympic sports, and I dreamed that I can in the future win a gold medal. But after I graduated last year, I decided that I want to study in institute and to become an expert of the hospitality. I remember when I, with my parents, was thinking about my future profession, my mother joked that I would be working in Sochi on the Olympic Winter Games. And now I really get this chance and I don't want to miss it. To work in Jet Set Sports team is a great opportunity to get new knowledge and gain new experience that can't be attained in any other place. I want to become a part of that team for the Olympic Games in Sochi. I will show you how a person can be passionate about hospitality. I'm hardworking, efficient, and a quick learner. I know how to manage stress while keeping cool and choosing the best solution. I love working with people and I want to find my place in the organization of Olympic hospitality. And I hope I will see you soon. Thank you for your attention. And I have to go. Goodbye!